we are excited and proudly announce Automation Services Solutions has invested fiber fusion machines. Now, you can have no worry for any fiber laser breakdown. Let's see how we operate the high-tech machine. First, we plug in the power. Then, we turn on the power switch. Next, we will install the fixture according and corresponding to the optical fiber diameter. Then, we will prepare the optical fiber that needs to be spliced. The optical fiber will be placed on the fixture set. All this step will require a highly trained and skilled engineer to perform this stage. Then corresponding welding program will be set by a professional engineer. We will then choose the correct program that matches with the fiber diameter. Then, the process will start automatically. Look how both fiber optic are fused together. The position is the key. Lastly, the process is completed. Let's see the result. Feel free to contact the solutions today. We can repair all laser head and laser source for you. Contact link in bio.